Guess it's good morning where we are. This is Wandering Dad with Jack in the back. Alright, we are going to make a little video of the waterfalls and the swimming holes that we visit when we're here in Maine on our vacation. It's August, 24th today, Jack? August 24th, 2017. And our first stop here is it's called Cascade Falls. Just a little one, not too far from the campground where we are, and outside of Old Orchard Beach. But we have some nice get some nice shots of the waterfalls while we're here. All right, and we're going. Say goodbye, Jack.
Bye. I said bug. I said bug. We said bug. Bug.
Cascade Falls in Saco, Maine. Kind of a nice little steep falls. Short little walk. Actually on top of this falls right here. And the falls go down. Kind of nice. Alright. Good. Heading into Dunn Falls. However, on this part of it, we do have to walk a section of the Appalachian Trail. So, we're going to head down here and see what we find. Talk to you later. Alright, just coming down the trail a little bit. It's kind of nice. It's pretty. And this is just on the little Blue Blaze Trail heading out to the Dunn Falls. Alright.
Oh, so many pictures.
Great, Madeline. All that's on my video. Thanks, you dork. Alright, that's what happens when you have family day in the woods. This little spur trail going to the main falls. We've got some awesome little falls here. Pretty. So we're stopping at each one. Because that's what we do when you have 5 kids. Everybody wants to stop and get a picture. Including their dad. The lower Dunn Falls, which is kind of a crazy cool way up there. That's got to be probably pushing 90 feet up.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and then it comes down through here. Here's some boys getting ready to swim. And then it comes down there, and there you see Madeline coming on up.
It's gonna be slippery, Lila. Careful.
Kind of cool. A little bit harder walk for some than others, but
Go get on the rock, everybody.
but it's nice. Nice hike. All right. Kids are gonna enjoy a little bit of the cold water, and that's it. All right. We'll come back when we're at the upper falls. Bye. From the lower falls to the upper falls. Came across this little, I guess this is the middle falls. But anyway, just stop and take a look. Kids are enjoying it. Not everybody is got their hiking legs. But we're good. Alright. And we're gone. Last waterfalls. There's a little rock right over here, so I climbed it. Pretty cool view. Alright, that's it for now. Just a cool view. See ya. Found another one. And
We're not gonna stay here forever, Kim.
people are just enjoying the yeah. Climbing up. Well, no, it's kind of fun. Ooh, this thing is steep too, and it's cold. Everybody who's gotten in it says it's cold. Ah well. This, I believe, is the upper falls. Oh, wait a minute! I see him actually up through the trees over there, so we got to go around a little bit farther. All right, cool. stop here. There we go. Bye. Waterfalls. It's a pretty good drop up there. It's probably a 60, 70-foot drop right to there. Comes down, joins up with that creek, and it goes down to that pool we just came from. Kind of neat. All right, see you, bye. A closer up view of the upper falls. Kind of cool. Cool spot. Kind of a crazy hike back into here, but cool spot. And the kids are enjoying it. It's quite a ways down though. Pretty cool. Bye for now. Right. That's another little stream. It comes down through the woods. Pretty cool, all moss covered. Cameron's doing some crazy hiking up through. Alright. That's it. Bye for now. Cameron and I just climbed up here. There's Cam. We just climbed up to the top of the tall waterfalls on a little side trail. And now we're just kind of going over the edge. You can see the start of the waterfall. And then they go down. And down there is where I took the last picture. Cool. Alright, awesome day for this. Love in Maine. Bye. On our way out from the falls, the whole family is... There's Lila. Lila, I can't see you. Where are you? Okay, there she is. And don't forget Charlie bringing up the rear. Yeah, so this would be the official Appalachian Trail we're hiking. Go ahead, guys.
Lila, stop stretching your shirt.
So that was kind of cool. Taking the family on the AT. Got a cool day. Alright. We'll end it here. If you're feeling to figure out, Charlie, what are you doing? Alright. And we're gone for now. See ya. This one is called Screw Auger Falls in Grafton Notch. I think it's within the state park. Kind of neat. Water comes down over through there. Nice little pool for the kids to swim in and play in. Oh, there's Lila and Jack. But the bigger part of the falls is actually down there, past down there. So we'll get a picture of that in a bit. Jack, you're in my video. Move out of the way. All right, that was Jack, and now this is just another portion of these falls. Kind of a cool swimming hole. It's quite deep. Hey, Jack, go back in there. Jack, go back in there. See how deep that is. All right, there you go. All right, and then Madeline's over here. This is called Screw Auger Falls. They're kind of cool. Stuff all over the place. Cool. No. Alright.
That is subtle.
Just another picture below the falls. So, again, this is the Screw Auger Falls, it's called. Kind of neat. A lot of years of spring runoff and everything else that gets created this cool little gorge. So. There are cool pictures of this down there. All the gorge has just been cut by the water. You could actually go down there if you wanted to. Walk all the way down around. But some pools down there. Here's some people splashing around. Kind of neat. Beautiful day. One of the little entrances to get down to where the falls are. Kind of just go between the two big rocks. And then you're out here to where the falls are. Nice day. Said it before, I'll say it again. Beautiful day. Alright, and this one's called Frenchman's Hole. It's up by the Sunday River Ski Resort. And it's kind of a neat one because that's why it's kind of a neat one. Because you can kind of cliff jump off these rocks. Probably about a 15-foot down there. Nothing crazy. Yeah. Oops, sorry, about falling in here. And that's the other kid, Jack. That's he wanted to go in. And that's it. We got one more little entry into the jump. There goes Jack. Okay, Jack, go ahead. There he is. Alright. And I think we're done here. Gonna go find the next one. Alright, and this is gonna be the wrap up of the day. Ended up going to a bunch of waterfalls for the day, and this is how we're ending the day. Got a little campfire going back at the campground in Old Orchard Beach. Watching a few stars twinkling above us. And just kind of enjoying a relaxing evening. So we did a lot of cool things, hiking, swimming, jumping off cliffs. And all in all, it was a good day. So we will catch you later when we do another video. Alright, bye for now.